Hello everyone, I'm Moki, and do you remember my EXO unboxing where I got Chen's card? And yeah, you know that my bias is bacon, and I really tried to exchange um, my card for bacon's card, but no one wanted to trade Chen for bacon, so I ended up trading it for the second best choice, which was Chanyeol's card. It's actually the best card from that album, at least in my opinion. I think that's the best card. He looks super cute, and I love his hair. And my bias kind of looks like just okay, but bias is a bias. But yeah, I totally wanted to trade either for Bacon or Channel, and I ended up trading for Channel, and I'm super happy. And yeah, this is the package where my card is, I believe. I traded it with a really, really nice girl on Tumblr. I can leave her username in the description if you want to. She's really nice, really trustworthy. I totally recommend if you want to trade with her. So yeah, let's open it up. I got a scissor this time. Yay. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, so nice. Wait. Oh, so nice. She sent a note. Okay. So this is the note. Yeah, that's her username. And she wrote the last part in Portuguese because she's actually Portuguese as well. Oh, and she sent a little BTS card. Oh, so nice of her. I sent her a red velvet card. I hope she enjoys. Oh, and mini cards. Oh, so nice. Okay. How do you open this? Okay. I'm sorry. I'm very unfamiliar with this. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, and she sent my bias. Oh my god. Are you psychic? Are you psychic? Okay. Let me try to focus this. It's not working apparently. Oh, wait. Okay. No? Aha! You saw it. You saw it for a moment. You saw it for a moment. So nice of her. Thank you so much for trading with me. I hope your card gets to your place in nice conditions. And yeah, oh, so nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, little unboxing. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.